Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth part of Basic of Pharmaceutical Production, in which we are going to discuss about the well-defined drug regulatory system of India. In previous video, we were discussing about the schedules which are used in pharmaceutical industries. Drug regulation in India is a complex process managed by law, mainly the Drug and Cosmetic Act of 1940, and by multiple ministries including the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The law creates a web of regulatory authorities to govern the process at both the central and the state level. At the central level, the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 has created the CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, within which the Drug Controller General of India, that is DCGI, is the key regulatory authority acting under the advice of the Drug Technical Advisor Board DTAB and Drug Consultative Committee, that is DCC. CDSCO operates through zonal offices spread across the country which have designated role in drug regulation such as inspection, recall and market surveillance. CDSCO also has a role in overseeing the functioning of state authorities involved in drug regulation. At state level, there exist state drug regulatory authorities SDRA, which are statutory bodies created under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, falling under the ambit of the respective health department of each state. SDRs are tasked with limited aspect of drug regulation. In practice, policy setting tasks and permission for manufacturing and licensing are handled by CDSCO, whereas some implementation appears to be handled by SDRs under the oversight of CDSCO. SDRs are often conjoined with the Food Regulation Department under the FDA, Food and Drug Administration in that state, which complicated the proper demarcation of regulatory responsibilities and often adds to administrative confusions. The DGHS, that is Directorate General of Health Service, a repository of technical knowledge, is an attached office of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The DGHS also renders technical advice on all medical and public health matters and in the implementation of various health schemes. DCGI, Drug Controller General of India, is the head of CDSCO, regulatory body for pharmaceutical and medical device India. Drug Control General of India comes under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. DTAB, Drug Technical Advisory Board, recommends amendment to the Medical Devices Rule 2017, Food, Drug, Healthcare, Life Science, India. CDSCO, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization under DGHS, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, is the National Regulatory Authority of India. Its headquarters is located at FDA Bhavan, Kotal Road, New Delhi, and also has 6 zonal offices, 4 sub-zonal offices, 13 port offices, and 7 laboratories spread across the country. The Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 have entrusted various responsibility to central and state regulator of regulation of drug and cosmetic. Work of CDSCO is divided into 4 groups. First is headquarters, which handle new drug import. Second, zonal and sub-zonal office, which handle GMP audit, coordinate with state. The third, which is port office, It handle import and export. And the fourth is laboratory, which handle testing of drug sample, validation of test protocol. National Institute of Health and Family Welfare is an apex technical institute funded by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for promote health and family welfare program in the country through education, training, research, evaluation and specialized services. National Institute of Health and Family Welfare was established on 9th March in 1977 by the merge of National Institute of Health Administration and Education with National Institute of Family Planning. The activities and responsibilities of National Institute of Health and Family Welfare are as follow. First, measuring weight of children to assess the nutritional status. Second, assessment of disease like level of anemia. Third, testing of food material like cooking salt for level of iodine. Fourth, to release fund on the advice of the ministry. And the last one is responsible for all governmental program relating to family planning in India. FDA. The US FDA, Food and Drug Administration, is an agency of the United States Department of Health and Human Services and is responsible for the safety regulation of most type of food. It was established in 1927. It take care of dietary supplement, drug, vaccine, biological medical product, blood